Hello everyone, welcome to animatronic World. This is a game, very love, very much. And I'm gonna show you how to make lefty from nav 6. So first that you want is a galaxy right here. You might need that. And you go over here. You have to select this color right here. And then do this. Okay. Now that's one part done. And now the other part is this. Alright, what does he look like again? I kinda got confused. So be right back. I'm sorry about that. I was making sure the colorful right. Okay, his nose. We don't need that because his nose is always black. So he definitely needs eyebrows. Okay, so now time for the eyes. The eyes are really simple. We just only have to color one black. Okay, that's all. We just have to color one black. You just have to do this first, and then okay. So now that you've done that, make sure you've done it with the other eye. Okay, so you want to change the left eye to this color right here. So it's like kind of so you can see it. And the other one is totally yellow. So make sure that this is what it looks like. And something happened. Give me a second. So just make sure that you can barely see it like this. Then, after when you've done that, you give it cheeks. Right? Give me a second. Yeah, I'm right. I was just making sure. Okay, so then you get the top hat and the bow tie from here. And then you just make both of them red. Like this. Thank you so much. Right? Give me a second. I'm making sure if I'm right. Yeah, I'm totally right. And now you have to get the fun time speaker, which is very easy because it's in here. And this is for the star in the middle. So just make sure. Yeah, that's on. Okay, so you turn the star into yellow. Right here. That also happens when the bow tie hits your secondary cover, or the inside, of course. It automatically turns to that cover, so it should be no problem for that. And now this is an important step. If you gone this far, this is the final step. You have to go over here. So you have these right here, and I'm going to close this check. And you have to make these red. You actually have to make these red. So you come over here. Lay down in animations, and you just do the exact same, but like this. So then it will look like this. So yep. Hold on, give me a second. So this is how you make lefty. Oh wait, did I forget something? Give me a second. Yes, I already did. Wow, good job, me. You messed something up.
Knockouts, who's going to be able to hold their ground against the other people on my team? So the winner of this battle is Jamila. Jamila, congratulations.
And now it should look like this. There we go. I just can't believe I missed this step.
I've always loved to sing.
So now it should look like this. Right here. I hope you enjoyed this. This is the first time. And if you want to make it like a toy or like from the actual game, you can just go over here and change it to basket shoot. Or smooth. Or smooth. Your choice. You can make it smooth or not. Just choose the thing that you want. But if you want it normal, just totally normal, just change it to classic Amazon shoot. Then it should look like this again. So I hope this tutorial helped you. I hope you. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.